open this up, that'll go out to the pool. Once we get rid of the brain-eating amoeba. Hey, I'm Kristen Smith, and I have an expensive hobby. What is that hobby, you might ask? I like to remodel homes. If you guys think Battle on the Beach was dramatic, wait until you see what we've gotten ourselves into now.
We're back. Welcome to our Lakewood Crest project.
All right, we're gonna show you guys around. It looks crazy right now, and this girl needs some love, so we're gonna put some good TLC into her and bring her back to life. But this is a beautiful Spanish Mediterranean home it's got huge arches, and over here you've got a great room with 20-foot ceilings, huge windows, and beyond these curtains is the Lakewood Country Club, which is also being renovated right now. They're putting about $50 million into it, and so we're kind of on the same timeline as the Country Club. Ironic enough.
And Kristen wants to turn this into a very cool basketball court, so we'll see.
I do. We're gonna put a basketball hoop right there, draw the lines. I've already got it approved by our project manager here.
We're joking, that's not happening.
It's got a good bounce to it. So it's gonna go right up there, and I'm gonna put the free throw line here. And every night we can practice, because you could use some practice.
I win every single time, she's kidding.
That's a lie. Then over here, this was the old kitchen, and it was very blocked off and terrible. So this was ripped out, raised the ceilings. We're gonna do a long dining room here and push the kitchen back here. But we'll open this up, that'll go out to the pool. Once we get rid of the brain-eating amoeba that's in the pool.
That pool was disgusting.
That'll go to the other yard. And then this will be the start of the kitchen. We're gonna bust through this wall as well, and you're kind of standing where the island's gonna be. It's gonna be cool.
So crazy. So we're gonna rip out this whole wall.
The whole wall.
So all of this is going to be completely gone. I know open concept homes are kind of out right now, so don't worry, we're gonna fix that. But yeah, dining room, big, huge doors going out to the pool. Come in here, it's gonna be a massive kitchen. We're gonna rip out these ceilings and peek it.
Yep.
So it's gonna be really open, lots of natural light will come flooding through here. It's gonna be gorgeous.
All right, so we purchased this in a kind of a little bit of a crazy situation, and the stairs were here, but they were ripped out. I don't know, maybe in a fit of rage or something. So now we can't get to the second floor, but we're gonna put the stairs back in over here and take over part of this corridor because we don't like the feng shui of the stairs right where the front door is. So this will be where the stairs are, and then we'll open this to get to the rest of the home, and then we'll keep all of the arches here. Did I approve this?
This is going to be my office. I'm just kidding.
So this will be an office here, but this wall will be walled off because of the stairs. And we're actually gonna wall this off too, and then open up this entire wall. We'll put a glass partition there. Doors will open to bring in the light from the big arched windows, and then over here will be a big door that'll go out to a courtyard. It'll be kind of cool. And so this will be a solid wall. We'll put a screen and a projector, so it'll be kind of a conference room style thing. Office, and then this will be converted into a podcasting room because we're kind of reorganizing the entire main bathroom.
This is my favorite part of the house.
How we just work. So this is the master in here. We're gonna peak these ceilings so it'll look really nice.
I want it to be big and grand. This is my favorite room in the entire house. I want this room to feel luxurious and fabulous and where you never want to leave, you know? So this will be the master. And then when you walk in here, this is what we're gonna convert to be the bathroom. This used to be the old laundry room. So we're gonna rip out this entire wall and open this up. So it's just one big rectangle, but we'll have a massive bathtub right here, huge arched window. That's probably like 6 feet, hopefully.
You want a door or window?
Oh, maybe door or window. We don't know yet.
All right.
We'll see. And then we'll have the vanity on this wall, massive mirrors, huge shower. We'll go right here. And then my favorite part of all time, Kristen, she knows, we are converting this one car garage into a massive closet, and I'm so excited.
This is my closet, right?
This is my closet only. I might share like one little piece because like that's what you did to me, but it's fine. But we're gonna have a massive island in this closet. We're gonna have huge floor to ceiling cabinets made for it. Lighting, it's gonna be incredible. We're gonna take this door out and probably just add a window there. But yeah, it's gonna be sick, it's huge.
So we're coming out of the existing main bedroom door, but we're gonna move it down and make it probably a little bit bigger on this wall. And then we're gonna create a little courtyard here that kind of opens here because we're adding a 4-car garage here. And that's how we're gonna connect to the house. So you no longer walk through the main bedroom or bathroom to get to the home.
Yep, think checkered tile out here, throw in some cactus, you know, it'll be beautiful.
Yep, little fire pit.
Look at all that ice, oh my God.
No, but it'll be a good way to keep the courtyard private from if you are entering from the garage. You're not going to be able to see into the courtyard, but there will be an opening where you can get out, but it'll keep the privacy. Where that temporary AC unit is, we're going to have a floor to ceiling window. Just some things to add in as much light as we can over here. And while we're outside, since we can't get to the second floor because there's no stairs, this is above the corridor up here, the first floor corridor, and we're actually going to enclose the second floor so we can make these bedrooms more spacious, and that's how we're going to connect it right above this roof line here, because we're going to put a bedroom here, and then we'll extend and connect over to here, build up on top of this as well. So you're looking at the gym on the first floor over there. It's part of the mother-in-law suite. It'll be cool.
Right here. I personally want to do like a checkered floor for this gym, but I don't know if that's feasible for a gym. So we'll see. But this is gonna be the gym.
This will be the gym. It'll be cool. I kind of want to do a roll-up garage door going out to the backyard or something, maybe an arch door. And then we'll have windows and a door here that'll connect to the 4-car garage, not a garage door there.
Are you gonna do anything with the ceiling? We're not gonna do anything with the ceilings here because we're gonna build
up. Yeah, there will be a bedroom on top of this.
Private bedroom, private bath, think mother-in-law suite or guest house, but it'll be connected to the main house too. Where's that creepy bunny at? Oh, it's not in here, it's in the
other one.
Yeah. It's pretty nice up there though. Oh my gosh, this would be sick if you peeked it though, because there's windows up there.
So I'm standing on currently the driveway. This is where we're going to connect the detached 2-car garage to the single-car garage, which that'll be our main bedroom closet. But this will be a 4-car garage here, and it'll be really cool. So you're pulling off the alleyway, and then we'll be able to use these for actual livable square footage. Yeah,
Okay. Now, Kristen really wanted a basketball court. I said no to the one in the living room. However, I am gonna allow her to do a basketball court out here. So this will be a 1-car spot for people to come in and park when you're having parties, but it'll also be a basketball court. So we're gonna wrap it around, do a cool, sick layout right here, basketball goal. So her dreams are gonna come true.
My dreams will come true, and her dreams will come true, because right here will be the opening from the main bathroom, and this will be a whole little seating area, little courtyard right outside of your bathroom, so it'll be really cool.
Cool courtyard.
Cool courtyard. And I think we probably need an entry to the home, so this is where that'll be.
Probably need to talk more about that.
Cheyenne, did you rip those stairs out?
No, I would never.
There's a cat that lives under the house too. But we need to fix the stairs and this entire entryway here, and then kind of level the ground, finish all the cedars, and let's move on to the pool.
Yeah. Oh, you forgot a really cool part though.
What's that?
This is the fireplace that goes into the living room. We're gonna actually knock this out and do a fireplace here for the outside as well. So this will be a really cool seating area to kind of set the mood for how sick the backyard's going to be. All right, this is the interesting part about this house. This is the pill pool. It's the party pool. What'd you say? It's brain eating what?
I think we need to do a competition where we put a board and we have to do a balance walk across. She thinks I can't do that because there's brain-eating amoeba, and if someone falls in, then, well, we could really fuck up their life.
I don't think insurance covers that one, okay? All right, let's go. Tell us what your idea is, baby.
Okay, so the idea is to kind of mix the French Riviera Italian luxury vibe in with the, you know, the Ralph Lauren Country Club 1970s entertainment of Palm Springs. I know that was a lot to mix together, but you know, I want it all.
We want this backyard to be very inviting. We want people to be able to come out here, party, have a good time. The doors from the dining room are gonna come open here, walk down, and then this will be all open here. We're hoping to do a patio over here, so think big, long sectional that butts up to these gorgeous magnolia trees. And then when you wrap around the pool, we'll do a dining room type, or not dining room, but like dining set type table over there. So you can eat outside, indoor, outdoor feel,
yeah.
And it connects to the house. And then the pool will have lounge chairs right here with an umbrella, and it'll just feel like a very cool Miami vibe out here.
Yep, everything she said. I'm just ready to fill this in with more cedars so you can't see cars going by.
Yes.
And then we'll do a block wall and it'll really help with the sound.